Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I decided to share an eBay haul with you. I'm going to start doing a series of little golden book journals, and for some reason my town thrift stores do not have them. They are non-existent. I have bought a few new ones to experiment with, but little man saw them first, so they're now in his book collection. These I will hide. Anyway, I got 20 books. I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, I did get 20. I don't understand the difference in the color here, so if somebody knows what this is about, let me know, because I've always seen them in gold, and then I have some in like a silver and one in like a little bronze color, so, well, no, several in that bronze color. I'm not sure what the difference is. But I did get some, actually I had just bought this one brand new in a larger size for little man for his Easter. So I was happy to see this because it had great pictures in it. So I'm going to do, I've got a Peter Rabbit book, and I've got these two, and I'm going to do some Easter journals with these two. And I had been stockpiling Winnie the Pooh for a while, so I was thrilled when I saw this. I am definitely going to do probably a very thick Winnie the Pooh journal. It did say that some of them would have religious themes mixed in with it. I was happy when I saw this one, because I'm going to do a prayer journal, and I thought this was just adorable. So put this in there. And this one I'm not sure I'm going to use. I may have to keep this one for a while. It is We Like Kindergarten. Most of the books, I haven't flipped through all of them yet, but they, only have writing in the beginning of who they belong to. Most of them are all in very good shape. This one I may just use for making photocopies to use the pictures. I got Lady and the Tramp, and I'm on the fence with this one. 101 Dalmatians, I am thrilled to get. And some of the corners are a little frayed, but I do have a book on how to repair books, so I'm going to work on that. I got Dumbo. Oh, I love Dumbo. I love Dumbo. The Little Mermaid. Pocahontas. I have a lot of Pocahontas stuff that I can use, and Native American stuff I can use in a journal. Chip and Dale, the Big Cheese Caper. This is going to be a challenge, but I think it'll be cute and fun. I got a Lion King, No Worries. Iron Man. I thought this would be great to make a mail journal with. Barbie the Princess and the Pop Star. Another Lion King. And you know what, guys? Even when I was a kid, I was never really huge into Barbie, so I'm not sure what I would do with this one. No, I was outside playing ball and roller skating and stuff. I wasn't a dolly girl. Disney Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I do have a lot of this. Well, not a lot, but I have enough to do a fairly good-sized journal for Snow White. I did get a few Christmas ones that, I still have a lot of Christmas stuff. I got the Little Christmas Elf, Mickey's Christmas Carol, Santa's Toy Shop. So I've got 3 that I can make for next Christmas. And then the Saggy Baggy Elephant. Guys, I love this story. I loved this story when I was little. Well, not when I was little. When my kids were little. I love this story. So this one may have to be a gift for a family member, because this story has relevance in our life. Okay, this is my eBay haul. I'm happy with it. I mean, they all are in good shape. There's not writing throughout any of them. It was sold in a lot. So I'm very happy with the condition of them. And like I said, there's a few little places on a few of the corners, but I can fix that. And this is my eBay haul. So if you haven't been able to find golden books to make journals with. Go to eBay and in the search bar type in Little Golden Books Box Lot, and it'll come up and show you where they're selling. Don't buy one or two at a time. Get as many as you can, because you can use them for years to come, but also it is cheaper. And that's my crafting tip for today. Thanks, guys. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.